Want to know how to swap two variables without a temp variable in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, this is a simple and a cool trick in Java that you can use. We just use a simple math. So we just add a plus b and store it in a. So right here we have done a plus b right here, and we have stored it in a, that is, we have defined it as 5. So we then subtract b from the new a to get the original a in b. So right here on the second step you can see we have done the same process, and then we subtract new b from a to get the original b, and that's it. Just like that, variables are swapped, no temp needed. Perfect for coding interviews or quick logic flex. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.